What's your YouTube channel?
Bali travel vlog.
Yes, I watch you.
You watch my video?
Uncle Chan,
Uncle Chen, Bobo.
the whole lot. Very good.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your bintang.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Where you come from?
Hey.
Pidai Kaba.
Hey, boss.
Pidai mate. Pidai Kaba. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Padma, Legian Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, hi today. Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Padma, Legian Bali. Let me show you around here. Overview today start from Legian Beach Hotel. If I walk down there, there is Kuta Beach. This is around 300 meters. Kuta Beach down there. Okay, let me show you how busy in this area today. Wow, looks so busy. Now I will cross the street. Welcome to Bali, brother. Welcome to Bali. Wow, boy, handsome boy. Handsome boy. Okay, now I will cross the street. Let me show you how busy in this area today. Hello, from India. My name is Salman Khan.
My name Fardin Khan.
Hello, wow, it was so beautiful. Beautiful smile. Wow, it's good. Okay, guys, let's see together how busy in this area today. Welcome to Bali. How are you?
What's your YouTube channel?
Bali travel vlog.
Yes, I watch you.
You watch my video?
Uncle Chan,
Uncle Chen, Bobo.
the whole lot. Very good.
Thank you very much for watching my video.
Push like and subscribe.
Thank you. Where you come from?
Perth.
Pidai Kaba. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, yeah?
You're welcome.
Okay. Have a good day. Wow, they recognize me. That's good. Hello, brother. Wow, you're so tall. Wow, looks so busy inside. A lot of trees down there. That's good. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Wow, handsome boy. Wow, looks so busy inside. That's just good. A lot of trees down there. Welcome to Bali. You have beautiful smile.
Oh, thank you.
Wow, good.
Thank you so much.
Important. Okay, let's walk around on Melasti first, and then I will make video at Garlic Land. We'll see around there how busy down there today. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali. Where do you come from?
New Zealand.
Yo, bro. I got a lot of customer from New Caledonia. That's the next island. Yeah. Have a good day, yeah? Enjoy your holiday. Bye bye. Wow, they from New Zealand. Hello. Looks so busy. That's good. You see left side? A lot of trees down there. Sam. You will coming soon again. That's just good. Busy, 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 busy. Busy, 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 busy. Uncle Norm. This is Uncle Norm. Wow. Wow, look, busy inside.
I'm a Kiwi. I'm a
And live music coming soon. Woohoo. Love this area. Also looks so busy inside. This is Sheppy's Bar and Restaurant. Also a feature down there. That's good. Hello. And the next is the goat. Wow, not really busy. Can you see here? Oh, but inside a lot of people down there. That's good. They're watching the soccer. Hello. Welcome to the goat. Wow. Okay, now we're reaching the junction in between Melasti Street and Garlic Line. Let's cross the street and I will update the location right there at the moment. Okay, let me show you around here today. Maybe busier. Hello. How are you? Wow, beautiful. We hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area today. Hello, brother. Hello, brother. Shopping area. And this is Legian Art Market. And I already made it down there few weeks ago. It's quite a long time already. Let's cross the street and update in this area today. Whew. This is shopping center area in Legian Bali. We hope together we will see a lot of tourists in this area. Oh. Welcome to Bali, brother.
Hello.
Hello, g'day, mate. I'm good, always good. Welcome to Bali. This is like a sunset time. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your bintang.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Hey.
Where you come from?
Hey.
G'day, Kaba. Have a good day. Enjoy your holiday. Yeah. Thank you for coming to Bali. You see right that also quickly down there. Wow. Quite busy down there. That's good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Padma, Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. This is Billy's Bar. Billy's Bar. Hello, how are you, brother? You see? Wow, quite busy down there. A lot of tourists inside. That's good. See that? Let's cross the street again. It's just like wow. Busier.
Hey, boss.
G'day, mate. G'day, come on. Aussie.
Charge your cock, you fucking
Bali Travel Vlog. All one. Oh, busy. Wow. Lot of tourists here. That's good. So many people. That's good. Okay, let's cross the street again. Maybe in the restaurant is also a few trees. Oh, sorry. Sometimes the camera was moving not so good because so many bumpy roads in this area actually. Yeah, Fitri done shopping down there. That's good. Even like sunset time, there is still a lot of trees down there. Across the street is the local restaurant. Let's see how busy down there. Let me zoom in. Wow, busy. Lot of trees down there. That's good.
Where are you going? There. Yeah, I know.
Hello, welcome to Bali, brother.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry, the cat. Let's cross the street. See the local restaurant. How busy down there. A lot of trees down there. That's good. Busy. Let's cross the street again. This is Suriwati Hotel. Wow, a lot of trees down there. Looks so busy. See? Wow. Oh, sorry, brother.
No, that's all right.
Welcome to Bali.
I'll pay you 50,000.
Yeah.
Going stats. You know stats?
Oh, is that Legian?
Yeah,
Yes.
Ready?
So at the end of the street,
Hey!
and then there's a little street on the right.
The transport bike. That's good. Wow.
Can you spell it? Maybe that's the best.
Busy. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? Still busy down there. That's good. Also in the restaurant. This Japanese restaurant looks so busy. Okay, let's cross the street again. And my video and this side. Yeah, quite busy even after the sunset down. Okay guys, so this is our day today in Padma, Legian Bali. So what do you think? Busy, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Padma, Legian Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Wow.